Kublai P Baro Shakatup Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Kimat ki bakong san menta ka sngi kilong. Hakani ka juk dangdon kum kani ka apon. Palat riu lak ngut syakta na ka jing lingshop ka Mariang Harilong Garo. Pli uba Meryl Bond ya ka project kintiu lawe ya ki Samla. Ban Samu ba Gabriel Marshipo hajar tengka Shaki Shispa South Hamut kinong di Madan Hanoston. Tomantang ni apai Shaki Khubor ki bakambnya. Kinong alam kaseng Federation of Khasi Jantia and Garo People mau age circle kilapan pau kajing sngo khia bat kajing sngo sangsot ye kijing jing ki khna school bat ki pa ba na kishnong nong trau nong ding sning bat ki we kishnong ba marjan ki ba haban jam sa Shillong kawa da ka ba yat lengba da la ki jong ki kejat ya kawa namar ya ka jingking la rong no da ko omba omsan amla ban mudur ba hakani ka juk dangdon kum kani ka apot ba ki khna school bat ki pa ba kia kandu hakani ka than Shanu jarnga ki bor sorkar ki bor shnong kinong mi khmat pat ba ban weng ya kani ka jingma bashir khei baki khna school ki ya kandu man ka sngi ban be shala ki jing puli ki pat ba na kani ka than ki de ban phai shikinong bishar ba hakli ban kan tui ka sorkar bat ki bor district ban weng ya kani ka jing jong ki khna school bat ki pat ba jong kani ka than Samla Anthony Umyong president ka FKJGP mau age circle Ula dawa na ka sorkar ban weng mardor ki jing jong ki khna school bat ki pat ba jong kani ka than shwa banja ka no ka jing man saw bat jing yap breu ha kani ka ayom barang jur ulap ba lapsan
Tiwan ban isngau khantam sa ki bor bahlon halor ka jinglong jingman ha ka bedai ka linti ya kijat na nong trau sa nong ding sning ka ba hapan kam ya ka wei ka wa ka ba ki khot ka wa ling do Bahakan ni ka wak kedua kami jingking kepala kalam no na jing wan jong ba usan aki senam hajar san hapo ada senam kami taruh na kalian jong bor pada kami tempat lay di na kalian jong itung kaseng misno kya di kota kota marba ya kini ka hakani ka wa haban kam daki arpo lay pamut kitna school bawan na no distinction of proud man kasih ya kalau kali na kali yang juri kong kaseng ikon pau ya kaji sokya di kata-kata ba ibu kaji kerpar khmat ke sorkar ba ke sorkar kan phai khmat ha beri beri suking shwa ba kan jia kanu ka jing sosi kan tam ya kini ki khana school na kali yang juri kong kaseng di kerpar shi bor ki bahalon ba ki de ban le no kloi khanang ban lai na kini jing sosi ki bansa ngat lesi hak teka jaka Ka jingling shop ki bor ka Mariang kalakta palat riu lakmut kinong shong shnong kentup lai spa sapu nyau tili ki yeng shong yeng sa ki bala julor ha ar spa sapu riu tili ki shnong ki badon ha ki sam tili ki district Harilong Garo ya kani layat hu da menteri ketenat revenue and disaster management ka sorkar Jylla bakar Shillong ha ki lat pathai Khubor ha ka khandai tarik Risaw Uba kermen ulaya thu kat kum kajing khen bayo lum hadu kani kajan miet kajing don ki bala khlat na kajing lingshop ki bor ka Mariang ki lakot chaka khatsan ngut ulaya thu ru ba menteri rangba da ladil hi ulahiar ban lejingo ya ki shnong ki ba shakta bat yakendu ya ki bahing hasem jong kitu ki bala khlat ulaya thu bala deb bansa me ka bai lutsan she ki bahayeng jo ki lanot ki bala du no ya kajing ha kajing lingshop ki bor mat
Yes, actually I have to report till yesterday 9 p.m. we have received a report the incident happened in Garo Hills region. First of all, actually I would like to thank the Honorable Chief Minister for taking this initiative to go and visit all the sites that has been affected by this heavy rainfall, flood and landslide. So he's so kind and he go personally, and I even thank the local representative of those areas, because they have worked tirelessly to give their efforts to retrieve back the bodies of those who have lost their life. So I really thank to all the person involved in this situation. So based on that visit of the chief minister, and based on the visit of our officers from our department, and then we have collected the information which I have it with me. So I would like to present it here. So it's really sad to see that this is at my tenure I've seen that this, maybe I can say, is one of the worst situation that we face in Garo Hills region. We have seen flood from time to time. Every year we have witnessed that. But loss of life, this time it rise up to 15 number of loss of life. So it's really sad to see this number, but there's nothing can be done by us. But we hope that the deceased family, so with the collaboration of the government and all the departments concerned, whatever support we can, we are trying to reach them. So we have here in West Garo Hills district, number of village affected, we have 132 numbers, where house damage is 93. Out of that, we even have loss of life in West Garo Hills area, 5 numbers of person who lost their life and 3 are injured. In South Garo Hills, 79 number of villages affected, 244 house damage, 7 lost their life. And in East Garo Hills, 12 number of village affected, 1 house damage, and then we lost 3 lives, and where another 3 is injured. In North Garo Hills, 3 village affected. In South West Garo Hills, 15 village affected and 8 house damage. Eastern West, 4 village affected. In East Khasi Hills, we have 1 village affected and then 1 house damage. That is where a total number of house damage we have 204. Total number of village affected is 246 and house damage 347 and 15 life loss. Total number of 15, and then we have 6 injured. That is the report I have with me as of now, and we do have a loss. Loss of this animals and all, but that exact number I don't have it with me. But
Uba Miril Bons MLA kanong po haka khandai tarik Risaw ula pelaj palba eka program a new youth empowerment initiative inspire and inform project kabanne arbanai kanthi. Hakani kasngi ladon lang managing director ka Yon Institute Samla San Kupar Singkli pat kiri orang ba jong kathan. Yakani ka program ban kentiu bat ban sandur ki khun Samla bat ban yarap ban priang ka Khubor syapang ka jingma bat jing shirkei jong udrok bat ka jing syong kha khana. Uba Meril Bon ula IT yakani ka program haka jing penyat ke Yon Institute ka way na ka shlam ay jing hikai ka badon hasor nongpo nagabenta ki jing yarap ki Samla ka them riboy. Uba Meril Bon ula batay yaka jing thumu bakong san jong kani ka program kalong banwengi ki jing ki bakta ki Samla Hariboy district ka Yon Institute kan ay ki jing hikai ba bunjat hakipang ba pher ka Yon kan hikai kumnu ban penkre ki examen rongkam kumnu ban yakun haki interview ka jing yar jong ka National Education Policy arhajar arpau mat ki we ki phang ki bayade bat ka akor ka buram longbreu haka imlang salang. Ula ongru ba kani ka program ka yarap iki Samla banlong ki ba klan ka bor perkhat ban yeng hala ki jong ki kijat.
Corporation lani board rukumju. Ini tagadau nilai selok bat ki resource person ru ya kini ki bawan barok kandon ga kenja test ha ka sedang ha ka ba ngin sajit la kumno saupo do san pungut. Maksimum kolong san pungut kenang ngin yo ya ka quality teaching ke jingkai ka ba piang ka ban badrin yang bagi ni ki session ke bengi ngin sabu. Jadi tagadau kandon ke kenja test apa nak kalian jom institute ke Yon Institute kemudian ke agreement ke bengi ngilaya tek ngaku MLA hakaba kinsa penlong maki ya gini kinsa jit ya kini ki samla ki manlong eligible namar ba kan yang isibun ha bangi kwa ban yo ki quality ki candidate ki badon ki quality ladangin hikai de ki spa de hajarun nginam la tingi ha ban select ya kini ki kenhun jong kini ki basa select ha bakim sayo ya kini ka jing hikai ha ka rukom ka ba bit ka babiang isutu kani gadi kesin ko manongkong ko bakum unong mikmat bat kini gir urang ba ki biya senran ki bangi persang ban le se kin don subun ki jing duna dekat balak ngini le ban address ya kani kamut ban ong ba barok ki baca salek ni nla ban yo kamlut ke kamdon ga garanti ke bung kata andre ke kamram jongi jong aku MLA kalong ban bedin lenti ban peni lenti ban yarap ban hikai ban puni ke jingking no bukin prepare lede haki exam bat recruitment prepare kita gede kapat ka banungkong ha ka bagane ka session kan salong hang ni hanong po hi kin spen bet institute ha ka bai ba san kupar in sekren ka to ni halor kan ni bat ka benda ka baar halor kan ni ka program ka banging don inspired and inform kalong na ka benta bangin lek shakishna kani kan long ka session ka balong one day session be ha ka bangin lek nyila select hang ni kidon kumba shipotli ki center la ni ki chaka kum ganuksa kani ki program ka besisngi ka bangin le kala bandai halor ka career guidance kala bandai halor ka drug abuse kala bandai halor ka early marriage kala bandai halor ka unemployment opportunity kala bandai halor ka national
Uba Gabriel Walang, MLA Kanong Ston, ulasam pisa jingarap na ka MLA Scheme Special Rural Development Program, syaki shispa saw pungut kinong di madan hanong ba nong ston haka khandai dari Risaw, kum ka jingarap ban kenting bay seng hakilat kamay ka jongki. Ya kane ka jingalang sam pisa la penlong ha MECOFED hall nong ston. Kinong di madan na keleng kidong kasor nong ston kila tuut sya kane ka jingalang. Kitu kibalayo pisa mentakasngi kila penpau ke jing kemen bat ke jing skongo ya uni unong mi kemat pat ba. Kat baya kitu kibamyo AA hakani kasngi uba Gabriel ula kular bansam hakawat kabaar. Ula ong ba ulayo ya ki jing jing dok ba jing kerdu jong ki longyeng kiba imja na ka jing de mar hamadan. Kumta ban kentiu ban kenting ya ki jing yo jing kot jong ki ula sandur dakane ka jing arab ban penhe bai seng yaki.
Ada yang kami belum kam kaju itu, kamu lada deh hasilnya, lada deh hasil, kamu kadi kaju. Kayak ini bapak kamu sudah kalau lada hijau dia kira kosong, boleh film saja. Lada orang kau kaya kosong, ngarai kan situ film, dia nampak. Dia nanti kalau kosong bah, iba semua orang berbeda kaju. Oh tidak boleh nak kamu lulus nak kamu ini. Kan bah, ngarai kan tidak boleh hijau pada satu boleh skim kosong itu no, ya kalau boleh itu tahu senang. Ya kisah di balon pemilih. Ada yang tahu senang di balai hotel, kita sudah jaga skim, jaga jaga petition. Tak kata nak percaya di kenang bah, itu kita boleh balai hotel so balai ini hari ini mai. Kan kita nak percaya pada Khubor, Khubor di balai hotel kita orang kali itu kan. Jadi kalau kita belum masuk awal bila yang hotel, kalau dia boleh dia tahu senang. Lebih apa nak? Dia orang berkarir di mana atau di mana.
Haka khandai tarik Risaw ki dekhot jong ka All Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association haka jingalam uba Peter Thernyang President kila shimya karai haka jingalang kabala long hamadan malki bantur kum ka we ka kunhun sha main secretariat banya kendo bad yakran halor ki jingdawa jong ki bad menteri rangba Konrad ki sangma ki dekhot jong ka ne ka kunhun mentala khandai sngi kila shong klan bongor Hamadan Malki, bandawa na sorkar ban penkiw yaki tulop jongki 6% naka tulop kaba kijuyo hadu menta. Kibor sorkar kentup yaka office jo menteri rangba bat katanat puli puthi kim shamla patiaw AA yaka jing yaki jong ka AMSSA STA menta la khandai sngi kenti. Kajing temu jong kane kajing le jongki sha sekretariat kalong ban yakran bat ban bu kimat jingdawa markmat bat menteri rangba ka Jylla.
Dan gaji nak kalian jom sarkar, Khubor penjaj jom sarkar, henry. Ada bangilah kular bangini yaj, dak akor keburam, tikileh pelat ini bangini yaj kene. Cukup tak boleh shiboni ki parana kai baro, narik khasi jantia bat kumjuru nagaro hills. Tekane kene ka seng ka bahetam jong kino hikai. Namar ba ngilah kentup nado nagaro hills baro. Te kat ne POE menta kimpat dan lut kibawan hadu menta ndrai kidang dan namar bang la penbet bakiniawan hak rotation basis. Te ka update dah menta kan segi galong bangila lek bania kedu ya Chief Minister Badan Buram Ujongi but Education Minister Badan Buram Ujongi ten rai ha ka jing dan kane ka jing shlai shathe shapo Garo Hills te kila yalit shathe bat nim shimlala bania kedu yaki ten rai da kaliang ka jong ka administration kila ai jimut ingi bangi dei bania kedu no ya iba Paul Lindo ibalong spokesperson jong ka sarkar kumtangi layalek banya kedua bat ilayo banya peni ya kijing kijungi kum kino hikai ki bangi la kedua mentala khandai teli kisngi kapdei ke besuk yangi bangin syusyong hangne kamtam ya ki no hikai kethei kijungi ki no hikai long kebe kijungi ki badan la ki jong ki khodret ki jong ki bagin wan sa met hangne batngi tena kaliang jongi ila yo ban phone markhamat hangta lingba ka telefon ya Education Minister but hangtau Education Minister la brief ki bat ki ba ka sarkar kala don ha ka me jong jing ya kren menta te nak liang jong ila ya tho yangi ba Chief Minister im shim la hun katto kan ni tuli ki bat ki ba Education Minister ula pun kre ha ka presentation ka baning kong
ka kong Amrin Lingdo Menteri Kakwat Kakia rengkat ba Livingstone Kharpran MLA Mauring Keneng haka khandai tarik Risaw kila let jungo yaka Community Health Center CHC hading paso Mauring Keneng ban haso rengkam ban wat jingtip yaki jing jungki doktor bat kinos hakikam sumar sukher yaki nongpang ha Mauring Keneng constituency hakane ka jingle jingo laya slok bat ya merjingmut kumnu ban penbha bat ban kentiu yaki jing shakri pat ba lengba ki CHC Hagaju Khubor kakong Amrin kalakular ban penbiang yaki dawai dashin bat ban weng yaki jing baki doktor bat kinos kia kendo hakikam shakri pat ba jongki na kaliang uba Livingstone ula penpau ya jing sngongu ya kakong Amrin Lingdo kabala pelat por halor ka jing kerpat jungu ban lejingo yaki ni ki lai teli ki CHC
kam ban pikir ini kejingyap ki kelung kejingyap ki kemi kini kita kita titong inya persang kawaan ngilipet ya ka sorengkap sorry ngilipet ya ka Mauring Keneng ngala kemen palat baka Mauring Keneng mentah more or less kala long functional nilai untuk building ke Syabdin ke Batamai lakon operationalize bahaya ka hapo kanriu banai min kentiu no ya kati ke PHC syaka first referral unit kata ka FRU in I know ki doktor ki batbet kum ki surgeons ki pediatricians ki general medicine ni kermen bandang ni kon advertisement ki don kita ki doktor ki ba NAKA Jylla ka jongi ki ban serve hang tu ni hapan ai ka operation theater ki ke babiang ki don kat tu kat ni ki problems ki ba ki ayush department ka face ya kata rungala shim ya kata ka tip jongan tu ki asha ki la ai kat tu kat ni ki jing senyang jongki ya ka jing lap ko jongki ha ai ni don kam ban pet bang ni hap ban tre ya ka jong ka kam ti nang tam bakat do mentan ni wan sya ka ni ka sub center hang ni po sa kam tu ka snong kala ya lam yang sa po site ka baki la ya mu ban peniang no ya kata ka PHC ka Batamai ini ki kam don kam ya ka fund don kam ya ka sanction don kam ya ka approval but ngala ai assurance ya MLA jumi bakal plan ba ngan persyangkat ke mengala bank maya kata ke PHC ke bakila ya kana na do arajan arpo kayo long do long snang ni yo no ya kata ka yu nomor ini ki kani ka sub center junging ni ki trish tomba ini ki pat ba ki long very positive sya kani ka liang ni di banjarap ti kita ki bangalit pet ngalik ni bat ngalik jurip ban nga engo ya i mali kini ba ila pelat por na do step ya kani ka kam bat nga kami lanti banang ni sya kmat ini trilang haka politics kam don kanu kabalong positif lada nia song no ai jong isem ka politics kadi benlong inclusive hila long MLA maro la ya long MLA kam kapadang kam hakanu ko area ni dei benle ngdei benlong iba kim ben sim ngdei benlong kiba long mayopik hakanu kompet ke jungi bat ngahi ti simet akwa ban pen i bang ngadon kata kajing trang ban serve yu pat ba bat ngimla menteri marwai klem ke MLA bat kani kedi kuai na kum kita ki benta bang ni trai dengkat lang bagi MLA jungi kong halar shisha ki staff kolong kum taken kathe ka sor kamor kring kamdan problem
Kinong hikai SSA kibadon hapo kashatri All Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association kibala penlong ya kajingya ki da kabasyong kalan mongor ha madan malki la khandai sngi lenter haka khandai tarik Risaw hajar arpusaw kila lektur sa sekretariat da kajing tmu bania kendu yu menteri rangba ka Jylla ukon rat ke sangma bad yu menteri uba Peit ya katanat puli puthi rakam e sangma ban IT ya kador khas jingdawa ban kentiu tulop yaki Hendrai nakidaw ba menteri rangba abad menteri katanat puli puthi kimdon ha office kinong hikai kila lej ban IT ya kador khas ha unong ai ktien ka sarkar Jylla pa pol lengdo kinong hikai SSA kila lej IT ru ya kador khas sha ulat ka Jylla Hadin kini kijingya kundu kinong hikai kila ya lumbiang hamadan malki bat rai bandang yai beteng ya kijingya ki syong kalan mongor tak hadu ba kindayo ya kijing dawa jongki
Presiden, Vice Presiden, Partai dan
Orang ni pun apa ya? Orang menti ni belum tu. Belum Pak ni kan.
See, we have been sitting for the seat administration from the first of the month of October up to date. It's already 9 days long. So today, when we had a meeting with all teachers who have come and participated in the administration, our teachers, they have decided that we have to force the government. We have to present again the secretariat, the education minister, and at the same time the CM. But when we reach here, the CM and the education minister were not available. So we have met the spokesperson of the government of Meghalaya, Paul, and we have discussed with him, and he told us that yes, the government has prepared, and regarding the presence of the education minister, he said that in the sake of the education minister, he said that the education minister has already submitted a first representation to the chief minister, but the chief minister, he asked again him that he has to prepare another second presentation. That's all, and he has advised us that we have to meet the advisor of education, Sir H.M. Samla.
So you are going to meet him? H.M. Samla? Are you going to meet?
Yes, we are going to meet him because he is the advisor to the education of government of Meghalaya. So he knows well regarding the announcement that we have demanded from the government. That's all.
Your name?
My name is Peter Thunya. Is the
Pada kitu ki Khubor lapoi chkabakut tarhadu bangin daya syambiang Khublai Shibun.